Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the attribute utility has stopped working error on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Go ahead and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to go right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go ahead and left click on yes. Now in this command prompt you want to type in SFC and you want to do a space. Now type /scannow. Scannow should all be one word attached to that / out in front. So again, SFC, then you want to do a space, /scannow. No spaces at all in between the / and the scan or the now, so it's all one lumped character or one lumped word in there, if you want to call it that. So once you have it typed in exactly as it appears on my screen, hit enter on your keyboard. Should begin running a system scan. It will take some time to run, so hopefully it won't be able to find any integrity violations, which is basically what it's going to tell you if it found or did not find anything. So restart your computer once it's done. Hopefully it's been able to resolve the error. If you're still having problems, go ahead and try and download a free antivirus application like Malwarebytes or any other third-party scanner and just run a free scan and see if it is able to detect anything as well, just because it might be the cause of a malware infection that you're coming across this error. So just giving you guys a couple ideas to work with here. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.